Okay, so I've done a lot of laundry today. There was supposed to be only 2 loads of laundry, but it ended up being like 4 or 5 loads. But I want to take a break right now in my beautiful. I want to show off my garden at night because I don't think I've ever shown it off at night. And this is what my garden looks like at night. I come out here and I sit in that wonderful Adirondack chair, and I sit among these beautiful plants. Beautiful, beautiful plants. And my beautiful money tree. And that is the skull of my mother-in-law. And I shrunk it with a special stuff that I have to shrink skulls. And of course the motherfucking dog from next door that always ruins everything. But at least he keeps the thieves away. I mean, I can't be out here without that dog just barking. You'll hear him barking the whole time, which sucks. I can't stand it sometimes, and I like dogs. And he's a cool dog. He's just very scared. That dog is afraid of his own shadow, and he barks and he acts all tough. But I stare him down, and like from the very first day I started just staring him down, he started to freak out and run away. And the reason I did it was because I was tired of him barking at me all the time. I was trying to be nice to him. And I was just tired of him. I'm tired. He's barking, bro. Stop barking. Anyway, let's forget about the dog. So here's India. And India is looking awesome. And I love India because India is the shit. One of the best vehicles ever made on the planet. A first generation Toyota Tacoma 6-cylinder crew cab. This is an automatic one. That's okay. She's not a 4x4. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that, We are who we are in this world, and we just gotta accept it. There's Sapito over there. Sapito's just chilling in the Miami air. Beautiful night. I mean, I'm not even wearing. I think it's still winter, right, or spring. I'm not even wearing a shirt because that's how it is. And I gotta get rid of this plastic. This is the plastic that came off of India. And what I'm thinking about doing is cutting it and reusing this area here. I'm thinking about cutting holes in the bumper and inserting this or bringing it from behind and putting the light in it. But anyway, look how beautiful my garden looks. My garden looks awesome. My garden looks awesome. These flowers from my aloe are so beautiful. They're so beautiful. I don't know how long I've been up. I've been up since like 4 o'clock in the morning. But the night before, I think I slept for like 5 or 6 hours. So I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm not super sleepy. And this is my Sumo Orange. I hope it makes it. I hope my Sumo Orange makes it, And that Bromelia is about to get a new home. And the avocado over there, this avocado is about to get a new home. And what else? Oh, maybe somebody will find this cool. I've done this, like, I don't know how many avocados I've grown or raised. I'm gonna say 50, okay? 25, 50. I have no idea. I've never kept track of it. But I want to show something really cool. So you could see right there, that's the avocado seed. That's the seed where it came from. And then I stick it in water. and then it gets roots, and then I put it in the planter, and then you see the avocado still there, the seed. This is the way I like to do it, because I just do things different. And it's there, and eventually I'm gonna give this away, and it'll be a big tree. Like I used to do it with mangoes. I used to like, every time I would eat a mango, I would take the seed and I would peel the outer seed, and I would put it in water, and then the tree would grow, and I'd put it in a 5-gallon bucket. Like if I'm driving around town and I see a 5-gallon bucket, and it's not really dirty and it's not really inconvenient for me to stop and pick it up, I'll just stop and pick up the bucket. And then what I do is I bring it home and I drill holes into the bottom of the 5-gallon plastic bucket, and then I put dirt in it. And then once my avocado plant was about, I don't know, 8-10 inches tall, I would transplant it into the gallon bucket. And then I would have like so many 5-gallon buckets with mango trees. And, you know, it got to the point where I was tired of giving them away. And, you know, how many people can I give this shit to? So what I would do is I would just put it out by the curb. And I wouldn't even write anything on it. I might have put it free on it with a paper. And if I would put out 5 gallons, 5 buckets of avocados, boom, they were gone. If I would put out, like somebody would just come and take them. And who knows where those trees are now? Those have been years and years, and who knows how big those trees are, you know? I'm sure one of those free trees is giving fruit somewhere by now. I also did it with avocado. And now, you know, people knew what it was. This is Miami. People know their plants. You know, everybody's into plants in Miami. Latin people love plants. We love plants. We love food. We love violence. We love drugs. We love cars. We love beautiful women. We love fast motorcycles. We love sailboats. We love to make love for 24 hours straight. Getting up, taking a shower, eating some strawberries, then keep making love. We love cool clothes. We love to play poker. We love to fight. We love to talk shit. Believe me, in Miami, everybody knows how to talk shit. Everybody talks shit in Miami. And you either listen to people talking shit, or you talk shit, or you just get out of the way. Because if not, you're going to be annoyed. This is my birdhouse that I have never taken pictures with. And I haven't sent it to this place that I'm supposed to send it to. You know, what are you gonna do? I don't have time for everything, man. My life is so busy. You see these rocks? These are my daughter's rocks. My daughter would go somewhere and she would collect rocks. You know, and I'm not gonna throw away her rocks. Someday she's gonna have her own house and she's gonna get those rocks, and then she could throw them away if she wants to throw them away, the rocks, you know? These are some more rocks that I use in my plants. And this is some more rocks. This is a air plant that dried out, but look how beautiful it looks dry. I mean, that is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then I have this other one here that is also dry. Oh, the dog stopped barking. Awesome. I have this other one here. They must have taken it inside because they heard it was barking, and they know I'm out here. And, you know, hey, I pay $2,200 a month to live here. And, I want to come out here sometimes and enjoy my freaking garden. I don't want to hear the dog. And I love my neighbor, you know. I gave him some bromelias and some plants, and we did a trade where I gave him 2 awesome tires. You know, tires that nowadays are probably worth $100. Not what I paid for them. I didn't pay that much for them. But, you know, they were like almost new. And I didn't want them because I didn't have my minivan anymore. So I said, listen, you got some of these plants there and they're all gonna die because you need to do something with them. And I love plants. And I said, you give me that planter full of plants and I will give you these 2 tires. You wanna make a deal? And he said, yeah, hell yeah, I'll make a deal. And, you know, I'm sure he thinks he came out winning, but I think I came out winning, so everybody's happy. So these are my plants. At night. And they are gorgeous. And they are awesome, and they are beautiful, and I love them. I love you guys. You guys are always doing awesome. It's a little bird making a noise. I don't know where it is. You know something that upsets me? My wife gave me an awesome drone because I wanna, you know, use my drone to make videos and post them on YouTube because when I get into something, I get into it. And she got this awesome drone that she got on sale for like $800 at Black Monday or Black Friday or some of these days when you get really good deals. It's a mini drone, and it was probably worth $1,400 or something. And then she probably got it on sale. I mean, I don't know how much it's worth, but I know she paid $800 for it or some shit like that. And I never get to fly my drone because I live close to the airport, and then you have to have special permission to fly your drone. And there's a nice park right there that I could go and fly my drone, but my drone won't fly because I gotta have special permission. So I gotta drive far as hell from my house to be able to enjoy my drone. And I'm not even that good at it. You know, I got it on our trip to North Carolina, and I flew it in North Carolina for hours, but you know, I haven't been able to fly it since we got back from North Carolina. And that must have been, I don't know, a couple months now. I think 2 months, maybe. I don't know. You know? I don't know why the hell this airport has to be close to my house where I'm renting. You know, there are people very inconsiderate having the airport so close to my apartment. They should just move that freaking airport so that I can have some freaking peace and quiet. I mean, I'm a taxpayer, for the love of something. God damn it.